Solstice is your platform to map, monitor, and manage impact in the work that you do at any scale, sustainably, and for free. You can think of it as taking inspiration from different platforms and bringing it all together, such as data collection from Google Forms, mapping from QGIS, data visualization from business intelligence tools like Power BI, data tracking with SDGs, and Salesforce, meaning you can digitize your workflows and stay on top of any operations. Bringing you this all for free so you can do more with less. Solstice brings you a complete solution for all of your data collection, monitoring, mapping, and management needs across any sector and for any purpose. You can use the Solstice app on Android, iOS, or on your browser to collect data. You can use the portal to manage data coming in, manage your users, organizations, data visualizations, sharing, and more. This all is combined in a global user base and a shared server with maximum security and safety. So what can you do with Solstice? A couple of examples. You can ensure high quality education delivery by collecting the right data and acting on it. So you can do flexible data collection with surveys. You can monitor health impact, for example, at the local, regional, and national level. You can track reforestation or other environmental work by doing longitudinal tracking of geolocated data at the polygon, line, or point level. Moreover, you can conduct effective humanitarian responses, for example, by using the robust offline features that work in any circumstances. You can monitor, for example, health impact by building management information systems directly in the platform, and you can go from data collection and management to action with our business process management features called workflows, where you can track your processes and your projects effectively anywhere. All told, this brings together a digital public good that breaks down data silos with a business model that works for all. Over 350,000 registered users in 198 countries and territories are using Solstice in a great variety of ways, with over 40 million surveys completed in total. The data is collected on a shared server, but the data always belongs to you and you can download it whenever you want. And it's used by a broad variety of stakeholders. The origins of Solstice are in water and wash with the mWater brand, and it has expanded over time to cover all sectors. The business model means that the more usage there is for the platform, more features are developed. Solstice for organizations. You can use Solstice as your command center for mapping, monitoring, and management. With the portal, you can manage incoming data in real time, investigate results with live interactive dashboards, you can share reports with any stakeholders, and prioritize and track actions. With the app, you can map infrastructure and locations such as schools, health facilities, farms, forests, and so on. And then you can survey households, project inventories, monitoring visits, functionality indicators, or anything else, and also link those two together. Make your program delivery more effective than ever at any scale using Solstice, and see our case studies if you want to see specifics on how others have done this in their organizations already. Solstice can also be used at the governmental level, scaling from local to national level with our unlimited data collection offering and many established custom government platforms. In Solstice, you can get for free unlimited users, unlimited surveys, and unlimited sites, that is infrastructure mapping. The way we've designed the platform means that local organizations and governments can focus fully on their own work whilst contributing to the regional and national view if they want to. We also offer custom websites that can put government ownership at the core of a management process. One key concept to take away that sets Solstice apart and makes it sustainable is the differentiation between sites and surveys. Sites are a standardized way to map and track infrastructure, which are easy to share with others if you want. This means that things like water points, boreholes, wells, water systems, schools, health facilities, hand washing facilities, and so on. Surveys are questionnaires that you can design freely and collect any data at all, which you can then link to sites and then do multiple visits in the same location and see how things develop over time. This means that you don't have to map the things you have already mapped again and again, and you can build a picture of how things work and proceed over time. And there's much more to discover in the world of Solstice. Offline capable apps, multilingual, localized to your context, secure and fully scalable. We also offer you indicators that allow you to standardize and automatically analyze data, workflows to manage projects and processes, and integrations to connect with other platforms. We frequently update the platform for free with brand new features to keep it cutting edge and relevant. You can find a lot of examples of the management information systems users have built using Solstice and mWater. You can read case studies on our website, various success stories, challenges. The Solstice business model means that 1% of paying users keep the platform free for everybody else. There's a virtuous circle where free high-quality software contributes to strong user adoption. This user adoption attracts R&D investment from those interested in sustainable solutions to data management problems for the sustainable development goals. New features are made available for everyone for free, so that value is added to all users, and that keeps the user growth growing, drawing in more investments and making those investments more attractive. On the other side of the equation, we have a highly skilled team available to support you around the globe, as well as a robust cloud architecture, meaning that scaling up is not going to cost much. We also support you in setting up management information systems, custom solutions, and bespoke trainings. You can learn much more about Solstice in our resource center or our video channels where you can watch guide videos. If you want to adopt Solstice at your organization at scale, please get in touch and ask us about training and capacity building, potentially custom solutions such as permanent access to your own Solstice-powered website and app, in addition to the portal and app we've seen, as well as potentially funding new features that would make Solstice better for many more users as well. Connect with us on LinkedIn, on YouTube, and at our website, and feel free to email us if you have any questions or comments.